This is a paint blend on a Chevy Silverado. All the body and prep work has been done, so we blow off the area as we tack the surface. It's ready for paint. First, we lay down a wet bed primer, followed by 3 to 4 base coats of white. Got to make sure we have full coverage. Then we hit the entire bedside with 2 to 3 coats of clear. This ensures good protection, a great finish, and a lasting repair. Ultragloss, the trusted brand for automotive cosmetic repairs.